Very good afternoon and welcome to this week's celebration assembly. I thought today we'd come outside. The weather is so glorious at the moment. Lovely high pressure dominating our weather at the moment. And any of you know me, you'll know that I love talking about the weather and all things geography. So today's celebration assembly out in the fresh air. Okay, so let's see who made it into the celebration book from early years and Key Stage 1 this week. We are going to start in Miss Gray's class, and Miss Gray, it looks like she's got 2 nominations. So the first one is for someone who has come back to school, okay, and this is an achievement badge, and this is for Freddie. Very, very well done, Freddie. And it says here that you've been trying really hard with your phonics, learning lots of new sounds and beginning to read lots of new words. He has painted a fantastic rainbow fish and written a brilliant apology letter to the fish. Well done, Freddie. Keep up the amazing work. And let's see what clap you're going to get, Freddie, to go along with that. And it is a crocodile clap. Very, very, very well done, Freddie. Staying in Miss Gray's class, this is for someone who also has been working extremely well, and this is for Nancey. Very well done, Nancey. It says here that you've been putting in 100% effort into all of your learning since you came back. You've been trying really hard with your number bonds, finding out number bonds to 10. You've also been doing a great job with your phonics work, learning lots of new sounds and writing brilliant under the sea sentences. Well done, Nancey. And that is also an achievement badge. So very well done. And let's see what clap is going to go alongside that. And it is a fairy clap. Very, very well done, Nancey. Let's have a look and see what you've been up to in Birch class. So in Birch class, another achievement badge from Mrs. Lana. And this is again for someone who's just returned to school, and it is for Chloe. Very well done, Chloe. And your teacher writes about you, Chloe, that you've recently returned with a huge smile and a positive attitude towards your learning. You've really excelled yourself in learning how to play rounders on the field and showing off your amazing ball throwing skills. Well done, Chloe, and keep up the great teamwork. Amazing stuff, Chloe, well done. And let's see what clap we have for you. And it is a firework. Pew, 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 pew. Very well done, Chloe. Into Miss Smith's class. And it's another achievement badge. What a great job you guys have been doing in reception. And this is for David. Very, very well done, David. And it says here that you've been working so hard on your reading and using all of your phonics skills to decode words and remembering his tricky words. We are very proud of you and all the hard work you've done. Very well done, David. And let's see what clap goes alongside that. It will be a train. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Very well done, David. Okay, next we're going to move into year 1 and we're going to move into Pine class. And this is a resilience badge. And this is for Daphne. Very well done. You've been extremely resilient this week, according to Miss Foster. And it says here that although at first you weren't too sure about coming back to school, after a quick chat you're ready to learn. You've also been really resilient with your maths this week. You've been working really hard with your fractions, which are tricky, but you didn't give up. And after another quick chat with your teacher and working with the grown-ups, you've done extremely well. And now you're now you're really ready for going into year 2. So very, very well done. And let's see what clap we have for you. And it is my favourite, marshmallow. Nice and quiet. Fantastic. And let's move into Rowan class and Mr. Gentry. And this is another resilience badge. And this is for Alfie C. Very well done, Alfie. And it says of you here that you have shown fantastic resilience with settling back into school. You're always keen to learn and to be kind to others. You've been trying your best across all your subjects, but doing it especially well in your reading. Well done, Alfie. That you've been working really hard on your letter formation, and this is really what we want to see continuing. Well done, Alfie, and keep it up. Alfie, sounds like you've done amazing right the way across all your learning this week. Well done. Let's have a see what clap we have for you, Alfie, and it is a popcorn. Pop, 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 pop. Very well done, Alfie. Staying in year 1, Miss Clark's team in Willow class. And this is another achievement badge. And this is for Callum. Well done, Callum. Miss Clark's writes about you, Callum, that you've been doing some amazing maths work at school and your writing is so beautiful and neat. You've been working hard not to shout out, but being so eager with your learning. With your new topic, Under the Sea, you have been able to gather information and recall lots of facts, some really good learning. Your favourite fact is that coral is actually a living animal, which it is, absolutely, and it's not a rock or a plant. This was a real surprise to everybody. So very well done, Callum, and let's see what clap we have for you. And it is a microwave. Me. Okie dokie. Now we are going to move into year 2 and we're going into Miss Williams's class, and this is a resilience badge and it's for Zion. Well done, Zion. Miss Williams writes about you that you always put 100% effort into all of your work, that you're always eager to hear how we can improve things and how you can improve your learning. What a superstar you are, says Miss Williams, and I totally agree. And let's have a look and see what clap we're going to do for you. And it is a firework. Pew, 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 pew. Very well done. Oh, nearly lost all of my pieces of paper then. Okay, Miss Cox Edge's class next. Okay, and this is a resilience badge, and this is going to Leo John. Very well, Leo. Very well done, Leo John. And this is a resilience badge because you've been applying all of your phonics knowledge with your writing, and you've been able to do this independently on your work, on your own as well. So very well done, Leo. We are all extremely proud of you, and a resilience badge is on its way to you. And let's see what clap is going to go alongside that. And it is a crocodile. Well done, Leo John. Okay, continuing in year 2, and we have Miss Hewson's bubble, and this is for Harrison. Very well done, Harrison, in Chestnut Bubble. And the reason that you've got this resilience badge is you always come in with a huge smile on your face, and you're always ready to learn, especially in your maths. Very well done, Harrison. Keep up the great work, and we are all very proud of you. Let's see, Harrison, what clap we're going to have for you. And it is a firework clap. Pew, 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 pew. And finally, for year 2 in Hawthorne class, Miss Markham's class, this is a teamwork badge, and this teamwork badge is for Mollie. Very well done, Mollie. And it says of you here that you've worked very hard to welcome someone new into the bubble, and you have been striving to support her friends with their learning. We are proud of your amazing teamwork, Mollie. Very well done. And let's see, Mollie, what clap we have for you. It is a train. Choo-choo. Very well done, Mollie. So that's it from me for another week with Celebration Assembly. Very well done to you, whether you're working at home with your parents or whether you have returned to us at school, and I look forward to speaking to you all very soon. Take care and have a great weekend.